at the Werribee Collectible Car Club's Sunday morning car display, and I came across this beautiful International. Now, it was an Australian-made unit in 1941 at Richard's Automotive or Carriage Making Company in South Australia. I think they were out at Elizabeth. But I came across this one. It was restored. Peter in our club has had this. This was actually in his family. He remembers days when he was in the back and the whole family would go on holidays. This beautiful piece of machinery has all been restored. It's a flat 6, fully restored. it's not usually, this type of vehicle is not what I'm normally into, but I couldn't help but have a good look around it, and when I saw the photos in the back I thought, wow, what a awesome truck. Now down here, this badge here is the Richards coach building badge. So all the driveline was made in America, but the whole body, the cab, everything was made in South Australia. Now you can see here in the back, Pete got the original number plates, and you can see the vehicle when they had it in their family. There's Pete and his family there. Later in life, Pete did the restoration on this beautiful truck to how we see it today. All the pictures are mounted on the original sideboard. So it's got a heap of history. And it's a beautiful truck. I got to sit in it before, and it's quite reminiscent of a day gone by. Particularly with South Australian car manufacturing, with the demise of our beautiful Holdens. It really sucks. You can see there, that's Pete's dad, right next to the old truck. So anyway, I just thought I'd do a quick run over of this beautiful machine. Could you imagine a hot summer's day with no ventilation? There's only that little vent on the front near the bonnet. But it's a beautiful truck. I just thought it was worthy of doing a little bit of history on it. There's lots of really cool cars here. It's amongst several trucks here.